Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GamsGo account. And basically, what is GamsGo? It basically allow you to share premium subscription for a lower price. So if you're on a tight budget and you would like to use some of those premium applications with someone else and you don't mind this, then you can easily go ahead and subscribe to one of those subscription that you are interested in. No, it is super straightforward to join, and also they also offer affiliate program as well that you can go ahead and earn some extra cash if you need to by sharing with your friends, or if you have a YouTube channel, you can share it to your audience as well. It is there to help people who are on a tight budget, and so if you're interested in something like this, you can easily go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to just quickly walk you through the sign up process of how it actually works and how straightforward it is. So once you're on gamsgo.com, guys, you will see basically subscriptions that you can basically purchase, right? If you scroll down, you'll find that you can purchase subscription and so forth, right? Now, to create an account, just simply click here on the upper right hand side where you have this little user icon here. Click there, and you can just go ahead and register or sign up there. Now, I already have an account, but once you click and sign up, you will be taken over to a page like this where you can easily sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or if you have TikTok account as well. So you can go ahead and quickly sign up there by using your Google account or Facebook account. And it is pretty straightforward. Now, if you also want to join their affiliate program, that is also pretty straightforward as well. Just simply click on affiliate page that they have, and you will see that you can just simply click here to become an affiliate, right? You will click in this, and you will need to basically sign in with your email as well. So I'm going to just quickly choose, for example, let's say I want to do it with my Google account. I can go ahead and I can select Google account right here. Then, of course, click and continue, and you will need to fill in a few details. You will have to create a password, and you will also need to confirm a password. So once you create a password, you will confirm it, and then it's going to take you over to a page where it's basically going to ask you for your name. It's going to ask you what video you will promote it by. If it's going to be YouTube, it's going to be your Instagram. If you're going to be Telegram, you just select that. And of course, it's going to ask you how you will be receiving your payment. You can choose PayPal, or you can direct bank transfer, and they will also ask you for your phone number as well, and way how they can contact you. That could be phone number, or it can be email address. You just put your email address there. So that is pretty straightforward. Now, once you do that, you will be taken into your account. I'm going to just quickly sign into my account right here. And once you sign into your account, you will have, let me just go into the backend right here, click an affiliate program, and it's going to take you right into this section. So if you have an affiliate program, you can just easily click the account on the upper right hand side, and you can click an affiliate. If you just wanted to purchase subscription, you will be clicking on subscription here from the account option right here, and you will see your current subscription. No, I don't have a subscription at the moment, but you can see that you can try, for example, or you can purchase subscription, right? And you can click on subscription page and you can purchase, and then you can see those subscription on those different pages, right? And that's how you'll be able to do it. It is super fast. You pay for your subscription, and within minutes, you're able to have the details that you can access in your account there. It is pretty fast. I would say almost instant. You can go ahead and create an account and purchase a subscription, and then you can use the subscription details to log in. And if you're interested in, for example, the affiliate program, you want to earn some money to by sharing this with a friend, you can join the affiliate program as I show you and as I explained, and you can find your affiliate details right here. Here you have your link, and so you can easily find that. Right. And of course, if you want to share a promotion code, you have a promotion code right there. You also have your partnership manager that you can contact as well, send an email for whatever reason. Pretty straightforward. And let's say you start earning some money and you want to transfer the cash, you can find your transaction history, or you can click on transfer, choose how you want to basically, transfer your money. As I said, PayPal or bank transfer, or you can basically choose that bank transfer tree there, but it's gonna basically cost a bit more, as you can see. So let's say you're into PayPal. You click, for example, PayPal, take you over this page. You fill in your PayPal details, your name, your last name, country, your state, your city right there, recipient details, and just fill in basically all of these, straightforward details here, and just click and submit, right? And you will receive your money right in the given time. So just keep that in mind. And last but not least, guys, if you also want to change, for example, the language on this account, you can easily click change that in the upper part of your screen. You can see that it shows language. You can click here and you can change the language. You can also access the language from your account as well. If you click account here, you can see at the lower option here, you have basically choose language. You get the same pop up and you can change the language. And that's pretty much it. So, guys, this is a pretty straightforward website. I hope you found value here. If you're on a tight budget and you want to basically, get a subscription, or if you simply want to try to see it works, to see if it's something that you find convenient for yourself, you can try it out, gamsco.com, right? And I'll be putting my affiliate link within the description of this video. So if you find value, I'd really appreciate you show some support and use the affiliate link within the description. And that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.